BMW M Skills, how to use BMW M Lap Timer app. BMW provides a great mobile app that records your speed and G-force affecting you on the road or racetrack. Afterwards, you can analyze the data, helping the improvement of your performance. Download the M Lap Timer now and get connected. No matter which route you drive, it is measured by GPS. Afterwards, you can easily analyze your driving to figure out the exact moment you accelerated, hit the brakes, what your maximum speed was, and a lot more. So, what does this analyst look like? Here you can see an overview of the circuit in MySock. Just click it. You will see the track layout. If you press reproduction, you can see the route, speed, and the brake phase marked in red. Your racing phase and follow speed up will be shown in green. You can select parameters up here, like the gas pedal, for example. When did you reach full throttle or half throttle? You can also replay the whole track. That means every single section that you drove. Where did you leave your potential for a better performance? Or is it maybe your acceleration timing? So what about braking? You could lose a lot of time if you don't know the right moment to hit the brakes or the right intensity of braking. Also, the G-force will be recorded. All in all, it's a great app to compare performances and getting the most valuable information based on motorsport parameters of your car.